Hi, this is Tom Terrence with Taxi Business Advice, and in this short video I want to answer a question, and the question was about the spreadsheet data, and the question was, is there a way of clicking on a cell with a customer name in, and that will bring up all the other tips that they have made this month. And so to give you a little overview about what's going on here, my point that I make in my Taxi Business Success System and pretty much everywhere else is that your most important asset in your taxi business is your customer database, and you gotta be working with your customers and your clients and figuring out how much money to spend on keeping a customer based on how much money customers and clients spend with you. And so this question goes together with this, and the question was, is there a way to sort and see how much one customer is spending? And so the answer is absolutely yes, and for this you want to be using filters. And so here, for example, in this table, let me scroll, actually let me do this so that you can actually see the entire window. So here I have name, time, fare, and driver name, and and obviously you can have customer name, and you should have customer name. It's just that I took a table from one of my clients from the past, and I just trimmed it so there's no information that identifies his business. And so, for example, if there was a customer name or something, here's how you do it, and here's how you sort it. You can have this table header, so you click on this, then you go to sort and filter, and you click on filter, and you see that here right next to the cell names, there are arrows that have appeared. And so once you click on it here, here's what happens. You see select all, and then there are driver names. And so you can go by every driver, and you can see what's going to happen. For example, so here I'm going to pick Adele, and I'm going to click OK. And you can see all the fares that Adele had. And then if you take a look, what I'm doing now is I simply highlighted all the fares, and you can see here in Excel it gives me a sum. So it gives me a count automatically, it gives me a sum, and it gives me an average. And overall, when you highlight a few of those, it will right away give you the sum, the count, and the average for the highlighted cells. And here you can see how many records there are all together, and to how many records the filter applies. So you can see that here it's 17 out of 34. And so that's pretty much, and if you take a look, if you click on a column, it will show you everything for that column. So there's going to be a sum, and there's going to be an average when you do that. So if you want to see, how much some customer is spending money with you, and you have an Excel spreadsheet, what you do is you simply apply a filter, and it's going to appear here, and then you can just click on this column, and it's going to show you the averages, and you can see the amount right away. And so what I would recommend, speaking in general, is getting a few books for Microsoft Excel, something like Microsoft Excel for Dummies, and just glancing through that book, and all the information is going to be there. And overall, Microsoft Excel by itself, and if you do not have Excel, you can do the same thing pretty much in Google Documents, which is free. If you go to documents.google.com, you can get an account there, and you can keep your spreadsheets there, and you can do the same thing there. So and there it's free. It works pretty much the same. What you gotta do is you gotta find a filter, and once you click on the filter, it will have this kind of thingy, and show you all the averages and all the amounts. Very simple, very powerful. use it, do it, and don't think that you need some fancy software that costs tons and tons and tons of money, because really, if you want to get things done, you can get Excel or you can get Google Spreadsheet, and you can do tons and tons of things there. So that's it for today. Thanks. Bye.